Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can give your app permission. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to go to the settings and then you can see here apps. So you have to click on permission, and here another option, permission. You have to click on that, and here it is. Here you can see the type of app you can find here, like camera. Yes, this app are allowed to use camera and this app are not allowed to use camera. So if you guys like select this group, select this app and just give it allow, then it will be in the allow list. So, and contact same, location same, microphone same, so all the thing here are same. You can do it like this. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.